right, so we're down in the basement, and this is, I think it's a 2-year update for this fix with the hydraulic cement that you can just get at like Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever for, I don't know, $15 a tub. Anyhow, I did a 1-year update, I'm pretty sure, just going by memory, and I wanted to give you guys a 2-year update to see how things are going right here. So without further ado, okay, so here's the area here. I see really haven't cleaned it up too much, but this was the general area, and as you can see, there's the major repair over there. And then just to give you a reference, if you've been following along, there's the electrical panel, nice and dry over there. And I'll get in a little bit closer to the actual repair, trying to do any shadows here. But as you can see, there's a little bit of this kind of, I think that's evidence of a little bit of a water intrusion, kind of the minerals, you know, when they come through there, they'll give that like little staining or whatever. So that's probably, I don't know, calcium or some kind of minerals coming in when you have water leaching in. So there still is a little teeny tiny bit of that going on. I guess a little bit down there too. So maybe I'll have to come back in and, I don't know, do something with that. But in reality though, this is all good. I mean, that's not really, I mean, can you hear that? That's not a crack in there. I think that's just some discoloration from maybe a little bit of seepage. But as you can see, that stuff did a really good job. I'll back out, and there's really no water intrusion coming in for the most part. I mean, there's a little bit, here's some down in the corner. I did not put the hydraulic cement down here. So there's a little bit there, and I actually drilled that hole myself. So just to give a little bit of a relief for some water to come through lower if the water table rose that high. So there is a little bit of discoloration there. Again, that's not where I did the repair. So the repair I did was up here. And boy, I remember those comments. Some people in the comments were like, oh, that foundation is going to fall apart and things like that. Well, this is 2 years, so you make your own decision. I don't see any structural cracks whatsoever in there. And this is up in the vault. Again, nice and dry up there. And then over here, I had a couple of pipes coming in. Those were actually conduit pipes for electrical service that came in. And we replaced that with this and the new electrical panel. So this was the way that the wires came in before from the outside. And, you know, I just put that hydraulic cement back in there. And that, I don't know if you remember, but that was gushing with water. So that hydraulic cement also worked up on there with the plastic pipe, the PVC, what have you. So, again, 2-year update. Honestly, it looks about the same as it does 2 years ago when I did the repair. And, I mean, I think this is the evidence. I mean, look at this floor. It's bone dry. All right, so if anybody is interested in the DIY stuff, give that product a try. It's pretty darn good. Practice with it, because when you mix that stuff, it solidifies real quick. You'll find out what I'm talking about. Maybe wear some blue gloves, you know, nitrile gloves or whatever when you're doing it, because it will solidify real quick. There's a little bit of repair. I think I did that right there, if I'm not mistaken. So see that like vertical patch right there? I think I did do that with the hydraulic cement. Maybe I had a little bit left over. But yeah, looking real good down here. Super, super happy. The contractor said it was going to cost $52,000 or something to do this. I think I ended up spending $14. So, hey, try to do the stuff that is least expensive and you think will do a good repair first. And if that fails, you can always go with the crazy expensive stuff or second option. I don't know. So you decide whether or not it's working. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.